Okay, so here at the SpaceX launch site, it's another view of the catch arm. So getting the tower once more and the catch arm. Also of note is the number of cars that are not present here. There's a lot of spaces here for a Friday. It's kind of unusual to have this many spaces, so they have either completed something or they have a little break in between here. Even though it is a Friday, there's usually tons of people here, tons of trucks, and there are an unusual amount of spaces here. There's now ribbing on the water tank again. You can see some of it from here on the far right there. Also, I just noticed that the moon is up there in the center of the screen right now.